Hi everyone, this is the day 3 of the where I was building the Lego Road Bike Edition series. So in the previous video, I have made the backside wheel and completed also the making of the back wheel. So this time in the packet number 3, I think so it should be the front wheel to build, but I am not sure about that. When I will unpack this, then I will know from the materials what's inside that it's of the front wheel or any other component. I don't know. So stay in this video, you will enjoy this build, this one also. And if you don't watched my day 1 and the day 2, then go watch it. So for now, enjoy this the third number day, and let's see what's in this packet to build now. Let's unpack this number 3. What's inside? The arrow is given from this, so let's steer from this side. I don't think that it's a wheel component. I think it's a different kind of component this time to build. Okay, this was all in this packet number 3. So these all components was in this packet number 3, and you can see literally the tiny pieces here. This one, one small piece is lost or put in somewhere else, the whole Lego won't be completed and look like the model piece. So see these mistakes. I have to be very careful in keeping this all nicely and have to build this successfully. So here's a given a photo. So for this we need the materials, like here is 5 cubes, this shape 1, and this one where 1, 2 and 3. So here are 3. So I have to take this one, then put this here 1, okay, then 2, then 3. Okay, this is done, and now we have to take this one and put it as instructed here. Okay, this part is done. You all showed this one. This part is done like this. Let's move on to the next page. So we have gone to the next page. Then the same thing we will need, like this shape, this one, and put it opposite. Oh shit, this one I have to do it like this, opposite way. Okay, then joint it like this. Yeah, this one. Okay, this is completed. Then next is I need yeah, this one and the long this one. So again I have to take this, oh sorry, not this, only this, then put it in here. Okay, then I have to take this thing and put it here like this. Okay, then again this one and put it here. Okay, it will go. I have just completed little bit of building this one. I don't know what formation type it will be forming at the end. But just to show you all that, look at this style. It is just looking like a very powerful engine of a vehicle or something. You can see this style. So I stopped the time lapse just to show you all that what thing it's built now. So what will be building in the upcoming, let's see, and let's continue the time lapse and meet you there. The day 3 part was to build the frame that is to be attached to the back wheel. So here is the frame. The frame is ready. So yeah, the road bike is 20 to 30% ready and more to come. So with the new part 4, I will meet you at the day 4, the next video. Till then, if you enjoy, then like the video and share it to your friends who are Lego fans. And I will meet you at the next one. Till then, bye bye and subscribe.